everybody, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are few requested videos, and I am glad that you guys so stay tuned to my Instagram and Facebook for such updates, and do consider subscribing my channel, because that's a little bit of motivation we get as a YouTuber from you guys. Thank you. Very welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then do take a moment to check out my other videos, because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about. And if you have watched this phase already, then welcome back, namaste. And do take a moment to please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because that will give you a tab of what are the videos that I have already uploaded, or probably what I'm going to upload, because very soon I'm planning a vacation. So you're gonna see a lot of vlogs in this channel, because I know you guys love vlogs. So that will be a kind of travel vlog. So next 5 days from 20, or probably from the next uploads, they are going to be vlog of North states, which is Dehradun, Mussoorie, and a lot of other stuffs. So if you really wanted to know what's the season over there, how's everything, stay tuned to my channel and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, comment down below if there is any kind of suggestions, any kind of request. Now today is one of the requested video where people have actually asked me about the acne prone skin, what are the remedy. Now let me tell you a little bit about my skin. Now my skin is a little oily. You can see the oil in the T-zone. So when I talk about T-zone, it is the forehead, the nose portion here and here. So this is the T-zone where it is very oily. So I have the sebum production on this T area, T-zone. So sebum production is something which a cell, a skin cell or any kind of skin type releases kind of moisture, or you would say a kind of sebum. That's called sebum production. So those are different for the different skin type. For example, I'm the person who doesn't sweat in this cheek area, under eye area, or probably neck area, anywhere around this. I sweat in the T-zone, which is the forehead and this area. So a lot of people have acne prone skin to the overall face. Now there are a lot of do's and pros to have an acne free skin, or probably a skin which doesn't have a lot of acne problem. Now I'm a person who, touch wood by God's grace, I do have acne. I do have outbursts during my menstruation cycle. Apart from that, if I eat oily or if I don't take care of my skin properly, definitely I will have an acne. Now I think there was an acne over here. Yeah, there was an acne. So there are a lot of pros and cons. Quickly I'll run you through everything. First thing, do not eat a lot of oily stuffs, by the way. If you are eating a lot of oily stuff, then definitely your skin is going to throw it back. Now many people, it doesn't happen with all the people. There are a lot of people who eat a lot of oily stuff, but their skin is normal. That completely depends on what skin you have. Now I'm a person who will tend to get acne if I eat oily stuff. So that's how the body will throw the oil out. So you can have oily stuff. I do have oily stuff, but not something on a regular basis, or probably 4 times or 3 times in a week. Don't go for that. Always have an oily stuff in a proper balanced way. Probably one day in a week. That's how you're gonna also manage your weight. I know I'm not very lean person. I know I'm not a person who is having perfect BMI. I'm also on a healthier side, but still that is due to my medical conditions, thyroid, whatever you say. That's not an excuse, but yeah, that do take a little credit on the weight thing. But again, what I understand is having a healthy diet is better than having a random diet. So if you are, for example, you have guests in your house, you're eating oily, other day don't eat oily stuff more. It's something you can balance your skin, you can balance your health and a lot of other stuff. So eat healthy is something you can, first thing, get rid of your acne. Second, drink a lot of water. So usually you should be drinking 4 to 6 liters of water. I don't drink 6 liters. 4 is something I try and drink forcefully, whatever you say. I love to drink water, but a lot of times we are busy at our works and we do not tend to drink that much amount of water. So take a liter of bottle, make sure you drink at least 4 bottle of the entire day. Whether you're in office, keep a tab of it. I think slowly and gradually, if you started drinking 4 liter of water for 21 days, I think you will be habituated to drink regularly. That is something, the next thing. And the third thing is, apart from that, the best skincare products that is include lot of vitamin C in your skin. That is something you will get a lot of effect. And at the same time, there's one more disclaimer: after using any vitamin C serum kind of product, do not get exposed directly to sunlight. So obviously, make sure that you use vitamin C in the night time, so that every time you can use it, you can sleep down and let your skin repair and nourish from within. So there are 2 products that I use, and I have used a lot actually. The first is Alps Goodness Vitamin C Face Serum. It comes in a very small bottle, very inexpensive, like 104 rupees, and you get a little quantity, but it is something which is a concentrated serum. That's why it is in this bottle, like dark bottle, because vitamin C is something which is very get high, or probably reach a higher point after getting exposed to the sun. So it comes in this black kind of bottle. Smells good, this Alps Goodness Vitamin C. So this is something which I have already used. I've completed 1 bottle, and honestly it does a great job.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.